Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another powerful super episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at what are decorators in Python. So what exactly are decorators? Decorators are, property decorators are a powerful Python feature that transform methods into managed attributes. And the property decorator lets you access methods as attributes without parentheses, providing a Pythonic implementation of getters, setters, and deleters. And this approach maintains clean code while enforcing proper encapsulation, allowing you to create read-only properties or attributes requiring computation while implementing sophisticated logic behind the scenes. So how property decorators work, their syntax and also their structure. So property decorators also consist of three key components. We have the @property, which transforms a method into a getter accessed like a regular attribute, and then we have @name.setter, which runs when the property is assigned a new value, enabling validation. We also have the @name.deleter, which defines behavior when the property is deleted using del. This structure creates a property interface that intercepts attribute access, modification, and deletion while maintaining control over data. So this is how property decorators actually work, and the syntax and their structure. Thank you for watching this video.